Hi, my name's Suresh, and I'm going to be talking about the OSIRIS-REx space program, I guess. Yeah. So, what is OSIRIS-REx or OSIRIS-REx, whatever you want to call it? So, it's a spacecraft, and it went to the asteroid Bennu, which is pictured in the upper right corner, and it went there to collect samples. And it would, rather than being like a Mars rover and study them then and there, OSIRIS-REx will return them to Earth so then scientists can study them. OSIRIS-REx stands for Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security, Regolith Explorer. It launched on September 8th, 2016, and then it collected the sample from 101955 Bennu, which is Bennu's full name, on October 28th of 2020. And then in 2023, it will return to Earth to drop the samples. So what does OSIRIS-REx actually mean? So as I mentioned before, OSIRIS-REx stands for Origin, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security, Regolith Explorer. But that's really random, so what does OSIRIS-REx actually mean? So Origins is like the history of the asteroid in the solar system. Spectral interpretation just means they want to figure out all the things that carbon-rich asteroids have in common, and just what asteroids with a lot of carbon have in common. Resource identification is they want to figure out the minerals, elements, and resource. They want to figure out the resources in the asteroid. Security, they want to see how would they protect Earth if Bennu was to come crashing into Earth, and I'll talk about that later on. And Regolith Explorer is they want to map out the area that OSIRIS-REx would take its sample, or took its sample. So and if you put that all together, you get Origin, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security, Regolith Explorer. So So here are OSIRIS-REx's specs. Yeah. So here, this is Rex's right here. And I'll look at Bennu using X-rays. SamCam is a short-range camera that'll watch the sample collection. MapCam will map Bennu in 2D. Polycam is a telescope that will locate Bennu from 2 million kilometers away. OLA is a device that'll create a 3D map of Bennu, while MapCam creates a 2D map. OTES is a device that'll figure out the resources in Bennu. OSIRIS is a device that'll measure the light that's coming from Bennu, and TagSam is the arm that will collect the sample. So about Bennu. So Bennu is like a rhombus-shaped asteroid, kind of, as you can see in the GIF. And it was discovered on September 11th, 1999 because of the Linear Project. And the Linear Project is a program that detected near-Earth asteroids from 1998 to 2005. It is actually the second most likely asteroid to hit Earth, with a 1 in 2,700 chance between 2175 and 2199. But don't worry, because scientists will obviously figure out a way to stop it. And some thanks going to the OSIRIS-REx program, because as I mentioned before, security's that they're going to investigate about that. So and finally, so just before OSIRIS-REx took its sample, so OSIRIS-REx was going off trajectory, and they had to do a late update, or in this case, a super late update. So a late update is like when they update the trajectory 24 hours before landing, and a super late update is 4 hours, just 4, and it's just astounding how they did it. And at this point, you can pause the video, look at the timeline, and just read what this image has. Okay, so all credits go to NASA. They're an amazing site, and you can just go to nasa.gov. It has tons of information about space-related stuff. And if you want to learn about OSIRIS-REx, just go to nasa.gov/OSIRIS-REx. So thanks for watching. Bye.